Hey guys, Caveman Mining here. I hope everyone is well and having a good day. Definitely been a few weeks since I've made a video here trying to get back on the horse and bring some content to you guys and give you an update. Yeah, we're working on the weekend here, trying to squeeze in some time to get some content out for you guys.
I'm also going to need you to go ahead and come in on Sunday, too.
The agenda on today's video is to cover a few things. The first thing is an update on what's happening at the farm, and I'll explain why I have that top rig off there. The other is also showing you guys what we have been mining and jump into that a little bit. We're gonna get into it right now after a quick word from our sponsor.
The MeterBox and Octominer are teaming up for another exciting giveaway. Win the latest proof of useful work, Octo Server E10, and X8 Ultra Plus and more. Introducing the limited edition Octominer box set by MeterBox. It includes the 125 volt and 250 volt meter boxes, a special NFT, stickers, and a keychain. Hurry, only 250 box sets available. Visit themeterbox.com now to secure yours today. Purchase the Octominer box set and unlock a secret code for 1,000 entries. Plus, earn an extra 1,000 entries and receive that collectible NFT. Don't miss out. The contest ends July 30th.
We're doing a special promotion right now, meaning that if you have ordered the box set, or if you will plan to order it within the next 24 hours, you could win $500 worth of Flux. Yes, one lucky contestant will get a pocket full of Flux. To register, go ahead and visit themeterbox.com for more information. And with that said, we actually were sent over a MeterBox set collection. This is the Octominer plus MeterBox. Really cool. We're gonna open this thing up and check it out. Awesome. Look at this, guys. We have the 120 volt pack here from Octominer and the MeterBox, as well as the 240 volt pack come together in this. Got some awesome stickers. Thank you guys, Octominer and the MeterBox, for doing this. And when you guys get this, you'll actually get a lucky entrance code to get into the giveaway, so make sure you check that out. That being said, guys, if you do want to make a purchase over at themeterbox.com, please use my affiliate discount code Caveman. Will give you 10% off any future purchases.
All right, and the next box brings us to the reason why we are here today. And you guys did notice we have that top rig off. We actually ended up selling one of the 3090s. Well, technically, I didn't sell it. Again, this rig was sort of gifted back to me from a friend who I had built this years ago. And he's essentially given it back because his electric rate is too high, but under the premise of he may sell some cards off of this rig, and he did allow me to mine and maintain it and clean it up while, you know, he figures things out. If he's going to sell them, and or if we hit the jackpot while we mine, we will just simply buy him out. So that being said, the 3090's gone. We have a free spot to fill here up on the rig. And so we made a purchase on Amazon. I already opened the box, but we'll give a little reveal here. And we ended up purchasing the AMD Swift XFX 6600. And this has always been a card that I've been interested to purchase. I have a whole rig of 6600s there on the hanging rig. Shout out to Chump Change for those hangers. Give him a check out in his store. I'll leave a link in my bio for some of his things, but essentially, guys, yeah, check this out here. I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing plugged up to the rig on the top, and we will begin mining again on that top rig, and then we'll show you guys, once we have this thing fired up, exactly what we have been mining and sort of why.
All right, I'm not gonna do the full unboxing here, but I will pull it out of the package and give you guys a snapshot of that thing. Let me pull it out of the plastic sleeve here. We'll get a nice clean look at it, and then we'll just slap it up on the rig. All right, so we got the top view here. We have the XFX 6600 8GB AMD card plugged in at the top here, and all fired up, fan spinning, motherboard on, everything's kicked on. We are gonna go upstairs and see if this thing is mining in HiveOS. All right guys, great success. We have our entire farm up and running now. As you can see, we are mining, if I can get the focus to come in here, it's a little funky, but we are mining Nexa, fully mining Nexa. We're getting about 1.2 gigahash-ish, and in the software we're getting about 3,200 watts. And let's go ahead and take a walk over to the wall here real quick, get a snapshot, and we're running just about 4,000 watts at the wall, so that is not too shabby. We will get into Nexa a little bit more on the next video. We're gonna explain a little bit why I'm mining it and sort of the profitability-ish idea, if that's a thing. But for now, I just wanted to give you an update, what we got going on here, what the plan is. We're gonna keep cranking away. You know, electric kind of sucks right now. We'll get into that maybe on the next video. Taking obviously a hit at this point, something I can afford. It's getting almost to the point of not affordability, but we'll see what happens in the future. I think the bull run is around the corner, so that is good news. But at this point, guys, I'm gonna leave you here with the update. I wanna thank you all for your support. Please, if you liked the video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can stay apprised of what's going on. And with that all being said, we appreciate it. Have a good rest of the weekend. We will see you next time.